Genever. So the Genever comes through really nicely, and this uses a real Dutch Genever, which is one of the oldest spirits. And so winning formula is Genever, which has been around and still continues to be relevant and delicious. It's also Dutch, and so it's a little nod to Max Verstappen, who has been unstoppable and sort of has the winning formula down. So it's got this very old classic taste to it. There's something woody and rustic, but then there's also the fresh pineapple and the bit of almond and the rye spice. It takes something that is incredibly complicated and makes it seem simple, which isn't that kind of what the winning formula is. So let's go shopping. So first, for our winning formula, we are using the old Duff Real Dutch Genever. So Genever is one of the oldest spirits. It's going to be a blend of rye and malted barley that's distilled in a pot still, and then blended with some of your juniper notes. It's sort of the precursor to gin and to rye. So very old, very cool. So this particular one, the Herman family has been distillers since 1777, so they definitely have a winning formula and know what they're doing. So next, we're going to use the Stearns American, which is a rye from Stearns County in Minnesota, which is kind of cool. It is finished on a pimento wood, so it lends to that spice, and it's kind of cool. The Stearns County is kind of known for moonshining whiskey back in the 20s and 30s, and so that's kind of what this comes out of. And it is going to add nice spice and kind of marry with the rye base and the Genever, and so it pairs really well to really make this a nice balanced cocktail. All right, so today we're gonna make the winning formula. To win at what? I don't know. 1 ounce Genever. Woo! 2 ounces rye. Sorry, half of it went on the table. This is how you bartend. Over pour and spill half of it. So it looks like they're getting a lot. They're not. 1 ounce of acid-adjusted pineapple juice. So this is pineapple juice that I've then added acid to make it the same acidity level as lemon. So you're getting the pineapple flavor, but you're getting the acid balance of a lemon for the cocktail. And a 1/2 ounce orgeat and fee foam, or you could use an egg white. It's just less messy. Dry shake, ice, and shake again. You know how they do like, and then they do like 2 of them, and super cool. Always just edit this part out, Sophie.
How about new, you crazy Dutch bastard?
Just resealed itself, there we go. Coupe glass, strain. And that is how you make a winning formula.